Meet the Harman Kardon Astra, the Amazon Alexa voice-enabled speaker with stunning 360-degree sound.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in the Harman Kardon Alexa app.
To begin the setup process, download the HK Alexa setup app on your smart device. The app will prompt you to log into your Amazon account.
Connected to Wi-Fi.
The Harman Kardon Astra delivers stunning room-filling sound via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Alexa, play some acoustic music.
Here's a station for acoustic music.
Thanks to 4 noise-canceling microphones, voice commands can be heard from across the room. Alexa, lower volume. Alexa, what's the weather today?
Right now in New York, it's 86 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Today's forecast has intermittent clouds, with a high of 89 degrees and a low of 72 degrees.
The Harman Kardon Astra features motion wake-up touchpad controls. And there you have it. Play music, answer questions, and control smart home devices with the Alexa-enabled Harman Kardon Astra. Thank you for watching.